So, cross your fingers. Boom. Fire it right up. So, the die grease works. And the results speak for themselves. I've let this now sit for well over 6 hours. And it should have hesitated. Like this morning, it was hesitating really hard. It took me like a good minute and a half cranking. Yesterday was even way worse. Had all my service lights coming on and everything because of the long cranking and start. But I'm satisfied. I think the die grease works. I'm going to use it on the other end of the spark plugs, closer to the spark plugs themselves. But I think this solved the issue, and if I have to keep doing the grease every so often, I will.